In this video, I will show you how to write F degree symbol or C degree symbol in Excel. In this video, I will show you how to write degree symbol in Microsoft Excel. So there is easy and simple way. I will show you from start. And there are some method. You can try this equation method. Insert equation. Insert equation. Equation and here select this degree symbol. You can type any letter with this degree symbol. And also you can select degree and almost guys you will find all useful symbols here. You can change size, color and what you need. You have to click on insert and equation and here select degree. That's it. So thanks for watching.